Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you guys the carbon fiber transmitter mount. So here's what the package looks like. Let's open it up and assemble it. Okay, so it doesn't come with an instruction. So it's better off to look at pictures or other videos that who already has assembled this. So you got all your mounts here. This is for the side and top. And then you got all your screws here. Okay, so let's put them together. Okay, so I got my mount installed. And the monitor is mounted. And I positioned the angle of the monitor to my liking. So let's test it out and see if this position will fit on my DJI Phantom 2 backpack. Okay, so let's put this on the backpack. So it looks like it fits in nicely in there. Okay, so that is your carbon fiber first person view monitor mount.